McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello people, my name is Nana McBrown and I welcome you to McBrown's kitchen. Yes, don't worry, me kabrofo. Eha ene duane paye de. Ebusuafo munim dada se me kitchen ni. Koba wase ti baby epe bia ye de ko. But enne said de munim no ye twa bibre wo Kumasi. This trip there, you are returning about back to Accra. Na enne is so special because and aduane na ye be enye de munim de bia no enti mesre say teacher mama for mothers mu be pay attention and ye jai aduane ye ma ye kunu ni and ye be ye aduane ama ye ma McBrown's kitchen aduane pa ha na de me pa cho mu ma me fa aseda e ma aboa for high sense everyday prices for everyday people na me chow bibi mu high sense ye brand ba kunie ye fe no Amcom. Into Soko Hisense showroom na say wa don't be confused. Yankasa yedia. Hisense fridge, Hisense microwave, and Hisense rice cooker. And yama P Hisense. And more dear Ubedia no one royal aroma rice. Yes, I know what I'm saying. You want to say they made you one dance bia bibia. A beboa nipedia. And I will free one know about angwa ede. 9C omega-3 sunflower oil. Tasty Tom, more jollof. The only tomato mixer, and fiber and the vitamins. Tasty Tom. Now, me person me try my day be say enne yet dey obedi spices. But the spices are benya hodin wom. The spices are there. The spices are natural. And no ani minazen food spices. Ebio me da nyonyo ase nyonyo ne bema me ne me crew aduane me da La Palm Royal Beach ase so ma summer said McBrown's kitchen bro me da apple pie publicity se mo hu me billboard to okromo a eye free eye apple pie publicity for and eye ma me sana manim eye allergena me trinyi ye me amedia matade ye me amedia so ati ase mo ma me ntwa me hu sesi amra me ba me srew men sorry na ye nya aduane nwie enne me say eye for mothers nti mame fo no obi antena se no hwe ye ye ba sisi a
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy. Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let's here. Anu ntrese ye ntimi nhwe bi. Hisense TV wo hoy. Ye ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. 8th April, Ekopim World Cup na wie ye. Hisense TV bia, size bia. Ya tete so ama wo say. Enu na waka no. Say, Hisense dia, wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Borrow Hisense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What show Hisense TV so therefore? And then TV I will tell you 5 years warranty there. Hisense near the bio. Let that suit you. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be at the one. I say, that dinner, mommy, go to Guardian and focus to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and none of us are drinking in your mom. We will have a chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder, Ababy as I would men as them food spices. What they were doing here? So what one day, so we are doing with you, will be a baby to a dining. I'm doing that. Now, school feeding for years, while I pay now we are on my filia. Men as them will be any hopeless major customers. What is
Obia Padi Pabi Bree.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pepia yema mebusia no me pe no bebre enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enuane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu when you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema oso. McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede, ebusia for me mama akwaba. But said they make an ene yebeye baby food. Nye de biane de mekone nchine beye ediane wa ha debi. Ene yeba beye food for the babies. Inti mame for mesre mo say mo be hwa mame. Na na me ni broni mame na eba be yeduane no. Inti mo a mo hwa. Minua me ne no ye film. Minua me ne ne ye ejuma or a producer. Or a actress basically. Wa wo broni or are you broni? Ana oh yeah huni pakro. Well, let's welcome Kafui Danku. Kafui Danku so be rohel no. Come here. Omero hill. This am meeting go enu baby ah.
we into na mama stress.
Yeah. Oh are you broni? Oh broni ba. When kaneba nka o se toya nka. Kafui akwaba. Ni sure who rohel no kakama why. Me the slippers go hama. Because wa dada now sa she hill asa wa draw me. What I say?
Okay, no.
Kafui akwaba.
Yeah,
McBrown's kitchen here. No I just say eduane pede.
Okay, and yes, I can be me.
McBrown's kitchen.
Eduane pede.
Sir. Now who me kitchen say?
Oh, papa.
With that say.
Thank you.
Kaf.
You're welcome.
And
sorry.
And there was also very special food.
Oh, sir. Me fry me no because who aduane ankofo anu e wo kitchen no
okay
na me hu se kof de bia ye nu aduane ma ya ye hu ne ye kunu ni like adults na dey and me say asan ye mothers month like ye san
yes di mother for our day
and then me more recipes be me dey mama ba a ope
with the man
lord enti e be bu so kasa o mi ba on di o yes na so kan me so mi be and me fan me be no our kitchen na omo from 6 months to like 2 years no.
Umbetumi you be right. I am so excited because when you are there McBrown's kitchen you start you bia ba abeye bibia da bia ye kunumu ne ya ho aduan. But na ye ma aduan. Kaf ye ho yen sansa.
Oh definitely.
Intino. Sa wo hwe ya me ne Kafui Danku. So ko social media ne ba no te set toy. Why to set off it?
Thank you.
Internet baby lord eduane a odie no.
Enna e ba be.
Anu ni ne ba be ha. Wow. It is I mean wo bag keto anko ade am ye sure say ene programming ebe boa wa nkasa. Kaf ye wo so eduane na enche me boa.
Enche
kra.
Enche.
Because encourage eduane de ebe 2-3 hours
Oh, there be
na ye mbobo ye ingredients I dey be ye eduane.
Okay. Eduane first one I me no my friend no the chicken meal.
The chicken meal.
Me and me too ni din.
Okay.
Because me the chicken na me the chicken.
Okay.
Any potatoes and carrots.
And me say ya be encourage eduane o ntimi sremo. Mothers no mum pay attention. Now yeah be bubo ingredients ne so ntimi hwe ne ye.
Okay, then my best is make the chicken. Potato and
carrots. By your broccoli wa.
Yeah, broccoli no. But broccoli dey na second one na eba be no.
By your pese bubo no ma.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So broccoli, spaghetti,
eggs. We maple syrup and
maple syrup, yes.
Peas.
Green peas.
Chocolate chips.
And you're confused, so they're Matt no also for chocolate chips.
With the honey.
And war.
The history. Oh,
chocolate paste.
Chocolate paste, yes.
Okay, chocolate paste.
And a cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Okay. And your chicken.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast. Fresh milk.
Yes.
And
cooking cream. And a whipping cream.
Whipping cream. And where they?
Butter.
Butter.
Yeah. And a cheese.
And a cheese.
Yeah.
Mom say I'm crazy and way penny dear. I'm sure so be no wardrobe. But when crazy and into no enyamom ana.
And nice. We are so we can her.
I made
Yeah.
Me baby.
Nice, yeah.
So calf you starting to say.
Okay. So say me pili me way no. So my room in Sandida. Enti.
You best in sing home.
Aye.
Okay.
Memboa.
Oh, you see be just so na baby.
I said in so just so say nkole aduane no. Unu na wo hwe nsuo no gu a nutrients nyina na ekọ no.
That's right.
Enti ye de sone na ba be no a. Enti ye de nsuo no be gu pot na ase.
Okay.
Na ye de sone no ase nsuo no so. Enti nsuo no hu a vapor na efri nsuo no e ba no. Eno na e be no no.
Wow.
Enti that way e be retaining all the nutrients e wo.
Okay.
Oye fa nsuo na ngu.
Yenhwe
All right.
And then cappuccino. Watch about 3 1 about 20. What you doing na chinanko I don't blame her. It's first of all, unya ingredients we nyina. Udi nsuo be si just.
Nsuo no this e ketewa e wo ase ha se baby.
Okay. Na when your son here.
Exactly.
Jena eye said you open.
Okay. Enti ma shop one means fancy ningo ase.
Okay, my soldier.
Thank you.
Nsuo no.
Me da say like maka no say nkole aduane no unua na wo hwe nsuo ne gu a wo say normally potatoes no be no na wo hwe nsuo ne gu na we dia speni but nutrient na na ekọ no na no so na ehia ma amo ne nte no me de sonye na noa
de sonye na
enti nsuo no wa ase na wo de sonye no ase
so na
nti aduane ne nyina na ebegu ha say enti vapor no na ebe no
ase minimu say me sonye ne chance na
pepe
no now is your best say
we no potato
right
and the way me boy me say we no so carrots no
na me so
me carrots
okay ya ba baby lord e come de ntie ye ne ntema mama me chicha ne nketo na akese nketo
round kit na ye flat come on
okay and for half na
because I flat sana e be bintem e be
bintem wow
back over
oh okay
say me ne nkwa na bidi ana obi so obi
Debe we obiani. Me ko aduane de anka wo mbo ko ho ba we. Kiri no obiani. Unim nyonyo. Nyonyo.
Oh, my sweetheart.
Yes. Nyonyo ne ma aduane wa anti no.
Oh, okay. Hey, odi bi aba Charlie.
And you be banku.
Oh, okay, fine.
And Kafui Danku you be banku.
Oh, Charlie.
So Kafui.
See, I make chicken no so.
Okay.
Once the chicken no so men no I was say no so bean into no. And no so make try and kitten.
So in the meantime, we me fan ko gumana.
Wait me dey go. Once say na din to wait me dey go.
Wow. What say do your friends say?
Chicken meal.
To the beef beef meal.
Aye. Sana me
Not the fish here.
Aye, wait me the beef, wait me the fish because me ba no per chicken into no. Ntina me dey no yeah.
Oh, okay.
One day I me try chicken and kitten.
Yeah.
Because there was a bean. You can't risk
the potato nso
akọ.
Na say aduane no I think say ni nyina be komu back one bowl. More jollof, more chicken.
Okay.
Ohwe a aduane no sija so but eni nsuo ni mu.
Yeah.
Enti no. E wo sonye ni mu ena nsuo no wa asenti. Ntutuo no vapor no ena ye de be no a ye de no aduane no. All right.
We see baby vapor the ntutuo. Ntutuo no. Okay, nana.
Me want back no. Dia wonti nsuo abrofo wo me ho de bi.
Enti me e man no ano. Me room and sabi na mastasi prepare the next one. Are you ready?
Okay.
Send e be ya. Wait a year be I'm sure any hope. Don't worry. Let's start the second one.
Let's start the second one. Okay.
Yeah, I'm right.
Into the say I was for yeah chicken, your carrot, any potato no esija so. Ediane no I think say it was segment. Into no. It's just so you call the next section.
No, me here 3 different college.
Oh, okay. So this is one.
Exactly.
Into where now bende.
Your baby. And I mean trying areas.
There be enkoso.
Me pesa yen waste time.
Yeah.
Me yes second one who anyama so
all right.
And I want to say.
No. Second one you be fa there.
Me here brodo.
Brodo. And cranfo no so at brodo. Oh here bread.
And no
kind of pan.
Pano. Oh, okay, brodo. Yeah, friend abolo.
Abolo. Oh, okay.
Abolo.
Abolo GAC. Remember knife and
I'm patcho me pesa when so yen papers na dry kakra.
So yeah, but second and you might be prepare no swintino.
And no okay, me starting me with liquid nyama no.
Okay.
Me here nkusua.
Kusua.
Enti me pie nkusua me no.
Okay.
Bigger one no ana.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enti yeah be mix it another thing enti no. Yeah mix it kusua.
Any milk.
Fresh milk. Okay. Yeah, di ka say nkoraduane ne ye enti no. Na ye be susu ho.
We say susu ba, the way we are no, dey me mfa go so sa. Nyina e be de. Ba we say unhu uba no ne quantity a obedi no.
Na waye. We ye nyansi wo nya aduane a ye yesi ho.
Ultimately me dey two baby food bottle bi na. Ewa oto say nkola ne bottles nkete be.
I bet me.
Yeah, and what say about me man in brew 3 days e wo fridge no.
Okay.
E drew 3 days no ndiri and to go.
Also
just men risky. E bia na ye o but you can't be sure
into
no. Na we true.
Yeah.
Enti nkosua milk na me mix here. Then me the cinnamon no.
Okay.
Spice be friend cinnamon. E man flavor nice be. Hwiambina sama ne ye the nice be science.
When Coredian can make us yen su minazin whatever. But then makajo say ye Coredian.
Your friend is cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Be dey no so go so.
Nti awie.
Aka me honey no.
All right. Honey in the sea on. Yeah.
Honey ni. Your friend no I be mo anyichi. Nti anyichi no.
Oba me koma ye wo.
Enti me anyichi kakra. Who say aka say honey e yema nkola brains na ade no.
Yes.
And I be the man director on person obedi nti.
Wo the friend ya ne ma no. And the one say Coredian ni de. Wo ye no wan fa bi anka wan no wo na nya Coredian na wo ye.
Enti they say you a mixture ni here. Cinnamon, kosua, milk, cinnamon, and honey. And I mix this here no.
Okay.
We no fe.
Yes.
Mixture nice.
Where potato no so
5 minutes. And so me say. Okay, back mama min dani no kakra.
Sa, and you know what.
Okay. See me the way.
Enyina yesua yo. Yesua enti no.
Okay,
you're serious with me. And my papa for the diane no nyina free kitchen and be babies.
And no kama.
And no said they open now. Okay.
Chicken must be there echo to come. It's a man some few more minutes.
Yeah.
Until we come back to second. When we no.
Yeah, we.
Yeah. Until we trap brodo no.
All right.
Yes, sauce no na.
Until memfa we in chen.
And we trap brodo no.
Na brother ending.
French toast. Aduana me yes and penifo so timidi.
Okay.
A friend of French toast. Obe trap brodo. Me pesa me.
Abrofo aware no. Enkwa.
Until me trap brodo. Me yema me ba. Me fa we enka bread crust no. Me fa enka. But no chese obi enyi ni na. Me na me hu ade kontina po a me yes.
Oh, okay. Don't worry.
Say me say bia hoye din na high mred nti.
Ye be yi no. No.
And when me am we keke o nti obi o ha betimi de.
Kafui ye no manual.
But me ye.
Manual.
Oh, nti me. Oh, okay.
What is it? Wait a friend manual.
Okay.
All right.
And they make chemu too. Because me pese we no solution and soaking kama.
Oh, okay.
Bread ni the betu.
Me pacho se mo hwe ya. Egg, honey, cinnamon,
milk.
And a milk na ye mix ye no. Yeah, the bread. Bread na betumi a bread be a sugar or butter.
Yeah, betumi a butter, betumi a sugar, betumi a beer.
Okay. And I feel the bread na too.
Into me the sim say na be ya. soaking no come and let come. Only say nkola de omu here milk to grow into no.
Yeah.
Until say crop brood in mu year.
Right, then we'll cover that.
We can cover. So we'll be back. You better buy no so.
You better buy.
Aye, mommy checking me wait.
Okay. It's frying pan you better home.
Frying pan we na ye dey see here no. Ye ba beche. Ye di butter. And a barbecue.
Hey. Okay, so you can say Korean into no. And they won't be
the butter and the barbecue we into. Say pan mo ye share. Na the butter na
butter ni mboa.
Yes, yeah. By this time by then now we na soak come away. Butter na me there 2 pan. Sorry,
Kafra. Oh, let me give you a drink. My boy knows that.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I better from the look. They are packaged in the Oh, okay. And now we're then
mixed fruit.
I mean, mixed fruit.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. I can't say one of them.
I don't know.
Minim trade and anything else. And we have to be home. All right, let's go.
Okay, auntie. It's your butter no na what pan no na I share ready.
Okay.
Auntie when am here no dia nyama na soaking na no you know
Hey, Lord, watch na no of you.
Hey, on the year we come. I mean, for we come, pan no so into no.
Okay, be come.
Aye, nina become, nina prep.
Wow. Your bread no.
What have I done? I am brown.
Just say, I say,
I chin nice.
I said, watch you go see no now.
Aha, that I am very nice.
Okay, to me my plate.
Aye. One say, my catcher say we are dear and penny for cratty.
Yes.
Auntie. In fact, say, one now, baby, and a million never be dear. I want to say the maple syrup, no, a goose.
Oh, okay. Nice and breakfast ready for paying for, right?
I am calling into no, maybe tricha.
All right.
Make tricha be brain, na me the good blender. Just calling from 6 months, almost at a solid, don't want me see a bit more. Yeah. Getting benadi. Yeah. Almost mean chew, papa.
And to make a so in the meantime, I bet you chances
here. Yeah, breakfast. Formula be any with the way to try anyhow.
Okay.
Me to try anyhow. Name me the gumi blender name. And see where to try.
Into way a crown no. Yeah, but na
baby blender.
Where's you paying for the na you be this year?
It's when no me that to say me and the family post syrup na eguso. A man more flavor behind it there. Intimate to share go in way. Me the milk eguso.
Okay.
Milk kakra. Once en collage omo here milk be brave to grow. So wait me the milk. Ebi wait me the baby milk no ebi after milk.
I don't know blender we mu anya easier.
Esun dodo. And until said the near be brave ansa. Okay. But we en collage ebi nipa akola ba kwana me no dey no.
Liquid no enso ne a.
Debi. Say betum.
Oh, okay.
Enti no, they say me the milk be beka ho bi.
Okay.
Enti me the milk no say nkola de mu hia milk. Say bia onum semelac ana after milk. Ana milk bia a wo de man na on so pe no. Obetimi de no aye. Wo person na wo de honey kakra aka ho.
Okay. Yes, am for honey kakra. Wo say ingredient enti wo say you mu de.
Wo say rich pan na ye ni de. Enti yeah, eno no. Say anu metu me we no mu. Me blender no. And the say, yeah, but blended. Maybe blended, yes. Right. I am colored with milk, with the milk and goose area.
Okay.
Maybe blended.
Aye. Into a baby.
Aye, baby. Yeah, also, and one also, I said, Sarah like base. When you video, no. Into a she.
Okay.
Well,
okay.
Until we move on there, but we no more to tell my house. Let me come here, Bito.
Edo. Okay.
Oh, what is there? What can her?
Yes.
Can her?
Somebody need.
David can we? They don't say me the worker. Me the worker home. Me the milk, more milk ni we can.
That's why you bet me.
Na me kan ba penny phone say be blend the journey. I said they won't miss you.
Wow. Into
me here book to let me show you no money. Oh,
and you want a white one?
Me, I wanted a small cute one. Send a when you on into. Oh, and one new. Now ubani diani ready. Come on.
Ah, you ready anyway?
No. Into upea. What me the maple syrup no?
Eguso.
And now what me the honey.
And
who thinks a baby we had already? That's fine. Into brodo na no so edi. Or dinner with style.
Oh my God.
Into
your dinner in the way I ready.
I ready.
Wow. Now so we over to me for penny breakfast.
And I can say a drew horse here. Yes, sir. Won't you shabby? She said, "We're not where we are."
Yeah.
Into the maple syrup.
Into a back away so
I'm
and away so
until your first one is started. The second one quite starts na baby in term no.
Oh,
the first shall be the last.
Wow. I was for median and I ready.
Right? And no.
Okay. Into a baby milk na de free her.
Aye. You
now whipped cream
Whipped cream be the next agenda.
The next one. I think so we no swire.
Oh, I've been crying.
And we be blend you.
Be blend no so.
Into no be ko.
Aye. Okay. And look at see no. Enti me chicken ne me carrots any me potatoes no
yeah
and na ready won say be kwa ebubre kama
won say be kwa break so no can no vapor no yes
it's the best form of cooking for a child so that nyama no be nutrient ni na no e be kam be she nsu no boasie sa won say ensisa kalapo because I say did bia so
camera no to man ka be me do camera no hwem no hu say nsu no nie. Wow. Into a blend. It's hot, but it's okay.
Okay, into it a good blend and if I'm right.
Yes, darling. Into no. You be blended chicken,
carrots,
potato, carrots. No.
Into a no a good blend.
I know you the monsieur be na milk be
na milk. Egu no so. You can also in collide and into no. The milk come on, and yes, she. Who probably didn't mean you, but me, Lord, with the milk.
And the infant milk. Okay. So, Lord, the young and the air hand. The old young on the person which
into the milk eggs.
Okay.
They are blended. Yeah,
can't be.
Me the penny baby.
Young family can be in count.
Baby, I hear Ocean in me per se, on say, Cassa, or Muno milker.
Yeah, a woman
sent me the milk.
Wow.
And one yet too smooth. Now say was that we did 18 months into me mana me blending the baby.
Now we I will be kakra. Okay,
but also from like 6 months 6 months econo.
Now,
what's the
I have
so this is our chicken meal, no? Chicken baby meal.
Are we going to blend any other thing?
That no, third one is a blend your pocket one.
And it's a blend your pocket one. Okay.
And 2 meals from color. And one.
I won't let it
and
go.
And then we so test it. I say we test here.
Okay. I will see for McBrown's kitchen and I will go to a motion. Now, minim se be a dream, yani me no edi kan ye no. What the can sua dada. But Kafui see a net and more fretting or buy. Or be third one. Yes, steady. Na hwe no mami. Kaf.
Third one no.
Yeah, corner say.
For and one no yeah, maybe ripe plantain.
Okay.
And so my friend of the plantain meal.
I buy the chicken meal, fish meal, beef meal, and plantain meal.
Plantain meal. Why? Because always we have to. Why? Because I want me to do wooding too. And one. Why we if you home and say, oh, baby, and say, and one empty. And no, I.
Some people say you fire spaghetti.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. Some can be the fourth area about time. Me say about time in Naka. Me be try another recipe so away so. But no. I know another time say me baby ma. Baba never do.
Because I know some mothers vibration they will request for you.
Okay, yeah, so.
Into be samba.
Right.
But say and there,
you be kokko no.
Me so janma.
Mpacho eh. Na me here so kakra bi wo. We me wash kokko nti.
Oh, okay.
Normally me wash say na be ya. O say no uyi wo we no mu a. Uyi wo upai na ubie na. Na mensre say anwia wa we no ho a ebetinya koka eduane no nti also washing the first answer.
Nti no kokko no na Kafui kan o say eduane no akra na ma no need 3 days.
We are. Man in the account of chef region. Man in brew 3 days.
Man in brew 3 days.
Yes, brew 3 days for now. Koko ne me me pɛ de I bring kasa I memre no. Yes. Cause no enche na aben na eno so den ti akra no obedi ne kama na won te koko so ba so ai
say method
na o se koko so nice because iron wom ankola no mo here yes and we one of the belows odi ni na ti say
sa ti no wa kasa wa toto ya ka so bia toto kasa wa ne honam wa body ase
lamelesi I be kan lamelesi
baby lo lamelesi what has it
enti paper na be no ano because it is just no what say penny for e be shave na nutrients na ko enti yeah eno no mi pe me hu say me ankasa mi pe broccoli pa okay and me ma ya me man bi no so pe enti ya me ye aduane we me the broccoli and say obenya vegetables bi
just say enyane na wo ye ni na obi tincha obeka say oh and a honey and a egg and a no enkoda no mofra no hia
omo hia exactly
enti no
omo hia vegetables
omo enti na ye
enti we broccoli me family no pe
ye be ho
na ma wash and no say vegetable din kakra
nti we twitwa
nti ya me twitwa no nketen say no so say na be ya
okay
e be bin ye
okay
yeah
o say method na e de noa mofra na aduane no ye noa won suom ye de vapor na no anti no try say wo be twitwa no nketwa na vapor na tumi aba
no no kama
akra na chema na kombede no
obesu ache Tiene so maybe broccoli and no but ebia wo vegetable bi o unim say uba no pe ebia na carrots and green peas and green beans betimi de no ebia ye peas na come de be spaghetti de no ni cheese no but no next time
oh but no betimi de wa no abobos
okay metimi akeka
enti no no spaghetti na
and no spaghetti na de peas no e de aka ho and now the and me be blendi we me no any piece ni we
no blending
me be blendi ni milk me the blend sometimes me fa milk na me the cheese
oh okay
blend
and one come on I'm sure say na ma me fo ani ajepa mo mam pa aduane no mo po mo chewa ansa na mo adidi no me say won't try any of these meals and mama friend I'm sure say
oh definitely yeah we so sometimes me blend it with me the milk akrabia kan but when me am me yeah me fa milk kan for Lord because me the milk yeah chicken dey na dey until me person nya different taste
yes
e dey na we milk no be too much man sometimes until we me yeah me kokko dey na me fa milk kan and me blend it
all right Kaf say na kokono ne broccoli ni sijaso I want to the chicken belly
ai mami to try and can
okay wow so would you try me say abobo first 2 meals na ya
okay first one them you use carrots chicken and a potato
okay
and me babe blending on me the milk and the blend here second one me French toast no
yeah my favorite
and no milk milk cinnamon egg honey. Bread, maple syrup. That's when me all that 7.
And I just say, I know I recommend it from people so. Breakfast is any bad crowd because with the syrup neguso now no. Ooh.
Neither.
It was nice. It was really nice. And the third one in here, you have a camel.
Normally me the beef na by the chicken me the.
What the chicken yeah. Okay. Okono so ebne ya baba. Mama tomato na ede ye no for the safety of baby no. Said the obenya ahode ni nyina no. Enti ye mfa ngu nsuo. Ka kwacho yo.
I maybe
o kitchen where you.
Maybe.
And yeah, broccoli, yeah, egg no.
Aye, maybe.
Yeah, potato no.
Aye.
Bibia.
Aye.
Unfortunately, emrenti no peas no. Now where chocolate
chips no. Oh back when I'm here no. Back when I'm sipping crati me dino.
Bread way no.
When can me be garnish and can be chocolate chip never be garnish.
Na
Actually, say any nkola nkwan mpanyifo so timi anka me the whipping cream dey go. The way I me to hono, na me the whipping cream go so. Na me the chocolate chip.
Na wo worry bro ni ntra na.
Damn.
Ana wo lord ntra.
Lord ya lord ntra.
Because I said, me team me ko wa. Ana me team.
Baby, me also moye me ko sa ni nyama unte 90 nkola no.
Eme ye
nkola die. Ena mpanyifo so breakfast.
Sir, at least back to me and paying for dia.
Yeah.
Bread one, no. Yeah, the bubo, egg, night, this cinnamon, honey,
French toast.
French toast, no. And no, and then they're paying for dia. Aye. Thank you. Wow.
Okay, my man is 3 more minutes.
3 more minutes. Oh, calf, what is
it? 3 minutes.
If I told, go back when you are where you are. So back when you are away and so we got a fin and make one.
Because most of the time, no, on the end of my year, when say baby food, no, it's me got emotion. I produced it in 2004 and 2014, and I was 2018. It's been 4 years with additives. Now, the year to own names and I preserving no. Even though I say you okay, but I'm in Colano, I'm immune system no nyeding sa anything is better. Was so by you better baby fresh 1 or 2. Actually 3 days wait go. We a bottle most I'm preserving milk na dada. Nema bebre na che. You know you can't trust it.
Oh, McBrown's kitchen. Me na man kolama me fans. E mama me fans. E mama me fans. Inti e juni obia. Yeah, you know, yeah. Hey, Kafui, no matter what you.
I will pay the
enemy. Why you end like a command and goes up? Emma, but I know I didn't. Over the road.
Dero is the trumpet. Then is Dero. They need Dero.
Dero, the bongo.
Oh, gong bitter.
Bongo Jesus now.
Miko pa. Tell me.
Uko abrofo dia na uko
local girls in there.
Area ben.
Oh.
Sa.
No, Dero, your friend
Enya no gongo.
Ekpo donu, Ekpo. Your friend Ekpo.
Yeah. You cross it.
Okay, dear, wait, be no. Nana behu. Gongo. Dero. Your friend Ekpo.
What is your own say?
Your friend.
If not.
Your friend Ekpo intino.
Yeah, kokono dia ka.
Okay, yeah, I was like I'm rep. Okay. Nana wa ba she. Won say no akra ebu.
No anka say ebubu.
I ready.
I ready. Inte say ebe blend here no.
Ebe blend and one.
Na me the there na ebe blend milk.
Opa, we me fa milk and can because me person here different.
Okay.
Come baby na where me the milk blend enti we no.
Okay.
Me blending inside.
Oh, okay. Inte say
ebe
blend. Yeah, cocoa.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay, enti we the nsuo kakra bi. Aye, omo ye nkola ni nti o so we short nsuo ni ye nsuo pa. Nsuo pa.
We nsuo pa.
Now there. Go so.
Kakra bi sa.
Yeah. So na be enye too running exactly.
Okay. All right. The high sense.
Oh, okay. Come say yapo. I blend area.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, we are doing no abusanfo. Yeah, we are man aduane.
Yes.
Aye. Wait, na McBrown.
We are very smooth, but nkwala bi o mo fin sentiment o metime.
Edi oh. Okay.
I have one aduane.
Wow.
But me here.
Me mouse spoon do more. Me pacha se wo hwe yan. Dwene wo ba ho kane. Dwene wo ba ho. And I show you your friend of General Bound. Think about your baby. Hey, baby Lord, and then. Ain't you know why when just say, what did be a crap?
Can hear.
There's a woody. Cocoa water. That's what I do for quiet.
Mami, I mean, can hear because the milk I say.
Yeah, but Where the who say no sugar, cocoa ne
Now, Betty,
cocoa ne
a man did. Never is about so chicken and home.
Now where there no syrup, nothing.
Debbie. Instead of you with me the milk, I can't want to say baby or baby, but just water or milk. But I mean, farm milk and carry on this particular one. Say, and I am in one.
I was for and then move on some McBrown's kitchen with the Biaba. One himself bruni in a buyer. And now, my say more like a new mother. Like 2 years now.
18 months.
18 months. In teacher say. It's good you came.
Yeah.
It's really
your mom started solid. So also baby will start 5 months and 6 months. And then nyama when you but now for me sure mo nyina so money deeper.
Sir, I know some McBrown's kitchen. Said they are the 4 if you there. So be who dance here ba. I wish for baby I do there. You be try your ho aba. Yeah ba. Me be kan je ni nyina ahwe. And the baby McBrown. Yeah, no baby ane. Inti my sima ba ko be ye ba sisia.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy. Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let us here. I no interest yen to me shebi. High sense TV wo we. Ya ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. If it's 8th April, I copy World Cup na wie. High sense TV bia, size bia. Ya tete so ama mo say. Eno na waka no. Say, who? High sense dear. Wo dia asemo. Me dia ni ji semasan ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show high sense TV so therefore. And TV I will tell you about 5 years warranty dear. High sense na dey buy you. Na da so chia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me don't for me. So baby, I will be at the one. I say na mommy go to Kwedi and Grofogu to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and no, yes, I take in your we will have a chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. A baby has a wood menazen food spices. What do you wear? So, what one day, so we are doing with you, will be a baby to a DNA. I'm getting sack. Now, school feeding for you, while I pay no, we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any of his major customers.
Obia pade pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pe no bebre. Enu ti e ba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear biona mehwehwe.
More jollof.
More
so say we super use and rich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom. Mediane yede. Yema also. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane fede. Ane and not yet. Someone will say my system. And then me dwene ye man ho. And mofra no ho. And then oma diane and a Kafui Danku. Obey your mind because one say they say when you experience be pray because of baby Lord. Now I am any can say what about share the recipe. And you are now do you feel mama fra. Akoda your man mumudi no be share am I. But munim that say McBrown's kitchen e won matcho matire me baso. Royal aroma rice, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil, tasty tom, and Minazin food spices, Minazin, and high sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Omune mabua for kesepa. Maybe I said that you and my nyonyo food, nyonyo fied. I saw to be a social media, nyonyo food. Sa na La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, Madame Wasi. Alidina makeover, Alice Yamin Shrub, and apple pie publicity. Me billboards in our own HM. But then, no, I simple. Kafui Danku. On one you feel Miami with you, my Kaf, maybe a 3 twin chair. Now, Miss Mother was sick. Oh, you send the water chair, chicken meal, cocoa meal, and bread, French toast. But Kaf, me my own cocoa, me my boy for yes, you was me a cola can ye. There won't be a dear. Oh, sir. Yes, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. Minazen food spices. Okay. And then with that, and I thank you so much. You are welcome every day. Very more than, oh yeah. Oh, Royal aroma rice. Yeah, thank you, Papa. And then we are grandpa. Thank you. Ampa. Royal aroma rice. Thank you. Every high sense. Wow. High sense. Okay. Thank you. And would you coffee? Thank you. Sa ma we nyina no ma fa no anka ho ma nya de intino tasty tom. Okay. Tasty tom. Oh, it's me press spaghetti no submission. Men no bebre ama thank you. Whoa. I was now for one woman that McBrown's kitchen there, yes, so your guests. So, you don't must say. Calf. Wait a minute, I'm with you. Wow. Hey, baby, chicken meal. Me here, babe. Come here, boy, babe. Now go out to tell me. Now wait. No, it did. Wow. Into where you carrot, chicken, potatoes. And a milk. Wow. Yeah, madama. I'm a capa milk. And so I know okay, I'm a good idea. Yeah. Then I really. I don't. Hey, now trying to test the amount can sort. Man, I say with test. Okay, let me just say. No, it's a day where penny for best made you back because you are blending milk, no. I was a penny. Oh, blend this on your man. I only said, hey, but baby. I never. And this is cocoa, broccoli, and chicken. Yeah. Medical has I never couldn't know, Mama. You know what? The uncle, cocoa ninty. That the other bound I was a payment. Yes, yes. Now what is it? Oh, what is it? No, yeah, I want. Me don't mean challenges visa and some me went, you know. But it's different, different and interesting. So especially like Kranis don't say be Lord ni no suya kasa or any other being a day. So you just see how wonderful God is. Yeah. Sometimes you want to say that, and you know, then you just thank God for growth, for life. For good health. Into women away from me, you're my baby. Ampa. Oh, that kind of thing. That kind of thing. But like you were saying, Kaf, I just want you to share your story with us. One said, you said when you have complications, baby. And I must share my story. Stuff in the actual book. Work as over Buame, support me, a launch here. Into me share because crave was social media. Oh, we're your favorites. Okay, friend too. And you were saying, what are trouble?
And that trouble, your friend, the silence is not golden.
Silence
is not golden. And the silence became golden. And the book, it was shell shops be brave. It was sweet shell shops.
Why silence is not golden and suddenly it became golden?
One will say, growing up, you have to say silence is golden. Like in Ewan, you kind of say, todo do nyo vosa. Like, baby, oh yeah, baby, so can I be how? And I saw being Tiwasi, and I said, there's something you need to speak about. And then dialogue is socially about an issue to resolve it. But we are all quiet. And one of these issues, I said, Wuko warrior. And then anyone say, or say, woo. And now, even at the engagement and as a marriage ceremony, they be praying instantly. Yeah, you per twins, you per triplets. There's a lot of pressure that's put on the woman or the couple and then you go in and then Nyango Pureka said, they be not yet. And then men will say, no, it has to be like this. Why once we are bow, a few people, nobody was giving me pressure. I mean, whenever I'm pressure, I won't take that from anybody. But once because now me lose pregnancy, I say me go hospital, I go and see me brain, me fat job. Me home, me relax. The right time, but go for question.
The right time,
no. And see, no. Me who say, and me can't say me no crazy. Social media no. Go for be through Instagram, Facebook, me email, WhatsApp. And they me share be muso amu be kasa and I realize say amu person amu kasa. They wanted to be heard. They wanted people to know how they feel. But then they've been dying in silence for a very long time.
Yeah.
In terms of silence is not golden. No. It was a me come media perform rally
about
when I'm talking name I mean come media na because we suffer for one and suffer be and I'm so misleading Kafui be brave, mother-in-law. So never be over. Never have so. I was say we should be sensitive about and no. And I won't watch. Say one yoba. Those kind of things. It's got to stop. I was say we have to learn and know. Say, me no say me kasa. Utonyo mintonyo. But ina yewano.
Yes.
And don't just say obiya betonyo.
Yes.
You see. So nyambi wahwa. And the fact that you are worried doesn't mean that you have to get pregnant the next month. If you nyango ponkasa on him time, I'll be able. Oh no, I should say na idea. And I said no biasu nebe. And no biasu nebe.
Lord, I done a toy on social media.
So I did not tell
Papa. Kafui. Oh, Debbie, why when you we baby no?
Oh, Charlie.
Why when you we baby na papa? No more said me baby McBrown, maybe when
okay, friend toast no. Yeah.
How no me tie modu. What I say? Wow. So say Lord buy. I join na swati.
Kakra.
But you had miscarriages.
Yes, so many. And me kanu said the anipano or battled all these miscarriages. Now when you so sorry. But yes, we don't know what she's going through. And you're compassionate, and you're sensitive to crowfond some kakra. You're supporting crowfond. Then you who say, and you'll be never something else. For instance, me when I was young, I said at a point, I said me a journalist. End of the man, journalist.
And I see her action catchy.
Until we are one destiny. The fact that we are all married doesn't mean we all have children at the same time.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Silence is not golden, it's about that. Yeah. And our silence became golden. Oh, say, Manu yape. We can't restore it. Me on the best nowadays when you send it to social media. And I be say, if you're before Baba Chime and Kafui be which I don't really give a lot of attention to.
Yeah.
The BSC.
Okay.
I could have lost the baby. Until no, silence became golden for me at a point. I was quiet. Nobody knew. But when I was telling my story, I'm saying that I might as well say everything. So the book Silence became golden is about what actually happened.
Then you almost lost the pregnancy.
The baby. Not pregnant. The baby was
after
out.
giving birth.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, baby Lord.
I suffered in silence. Yes. Again. Yes. So silence became golden for me at a point.
Yeah.
But I just want people to know, we should be quiet about.
Yeah.
Because we can only dialogue and look for solutions for the problem. So we can't be quiet about certain issues. But then certain issues to need us to be quiet.
I love that everybody get the book. So say
what? Shell shops, 50 cedis per two in one book. Book near two.
2 in 1 book. 50 cedis. because we want everybody to know the story. And also, we are also a very casual amount. The pressure will come down.
Yeah.
Now, we're a producer.
I'm a producer.
Yeah, the last year now producer. How many films now?
In total, 5. 5 films. Letters to My Mother.
Okay.
Devil in a Dress.
Yes.
Happy Death Day.
Yeah. Papa.
Happy Death Day. I do. Oh, any other Monday.
Any other Monday.
And I'm a short film. It's your friend Cold Fire.
Cold Fire.
Yeah, Cold Fire.
Oh, okay.
How can fire be cold? Oh, then send me brain.
No, what title?
Yeah. Because
Devil in a Dress.
Yes.
Then
Letters to My Mother.
Letters to My Mother. Monday.
Any other Monday.
I do. And
Happy Death Day.
Death Day. What titles?
Oh, behind him, Happy Birthday.
Yeah.
Nobody thought about Death Day.
Now, how can you be happy on your death day?
You know, but death is a day I be fat through, and I say, after some time, something we don't like to talk about. So we try to make people know, say, a death day can be a happy one.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay.
Africa need to be accepted death. They have.
Oh, you didn't have to record your cock. I said,
wow. What is next for you?
Oh, and then sometimes we start a YouTube vlog channel about lifestyle, okay. And then I went on a long break. And see, I'm bringing it back. So you can sign up www.Kafui Danku, www.youtube.com/Kafui Danku. www.youtube.com/Kafui Danku. Because I'm temple.
Kafui Danku.
Kafui Danku, yeah.
Your last word.
And so keep watching McBrown's Kitchen. Yeah. And then sign on to my vlog. I'll be bringing you very interesting topics. Let's start by discussing personal hygiene, female hygiene, sexual hygiene, any nyama, baby nyama, nyama, product reviews, marriage. Silence is not good. Sign up and keep watching McBrown's TV.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you so much.
You.
And no, the ultra pet a formula here, the Anaman but the anabadi dear who hear no beer. And that meaning, sir, was sear the beer from McBrown's Kitchen. To be honest with you, Kaf, or beer and unit that's all bread no bet or bet to Buama. But said your way, and even though once I made a penny, I mean, many crying coming to me. What are the button crown, dear? No waiting near my own. And see, Madame Sasha McBrown's Kitchen, Madame Guest Swassi, Madame Boisfoisse, high sense, tasty tone, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil, and now Minazen food spices. Me patron near my nine macambo, where do one dance at you? When you bobia so share. Aye, now high sense, yet TV so. Okoso abenya am continue. Na nama McBrown's Kitchen ewo YouTube 24/7. Kafui de ye ko ha no. Nti want me ansho ha. Ana wo ba hu ya unti nko hoda bia no kohwe Kafui dia na ma me. McBrown me di no. Ye be hia na otwen Sunday. Me da se pass and social McBrown's Kitchen man. Onyame won hira no kan ho. No ma ye hia na otwen Sunday. Me da me crew ase nyonyo. Aligina, La Palm Royal Beach, Apple Pie Publicity, and Miami home. Asia next week. Brim! Macra.
McBrown's Kitchen, again in McBrown's Kitchen, bring us soul. McBrown's Kitchen, again in McBrown's Kitchen, bring us soul. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you know I'm in here. Get to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again in McBrown's Kitchen.